How to fix broadcasting grayed out on Samsung Smart TV. In such cases, there are various modes where some features are restricted or won't function. If you have switched the picture mode, the Smart is designed to prevent the settings from reverting to default. There could be a Smart Hub app preventing the broadcasting function. In addition, the app might block features due to some trouble in its environment. Sometimes Samsung TV broadcasting function not available issue exists temporarily. In that case, its occurrence could be a generic bug on the Smart TV. If there are more apps running in the background, some features won't work on Samsung TV. Clear the recent app from the taskbar to get rid of this issue. Close all the apps and go to the home screen. Now press the input button on your Samsung TV remote. Now select the TV as the source. Open Settings. Now broadcasting option will be available. After changing the source on your Samsung TV to Live TV, you'll be able to access the broadcasting option. Turn off your Samsung Smart TV. Now remove the TV's wire from the power outlet. Press and hold the physical power button on your Samsung TV for 15 to 20 seconds. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug in your Samsung TV and turn it on. To fix this problem, check that all the devices like Fire Stick and Roku is well connected. If you are unsure, then remove them from the Samsung TV and reconnect it properly. You have to check is that all the HDMI cables and coax cables are connected properly. Try reinserting the coax cable properly and check if the broadcasting option is still locked or working. In the same way, remove the HDMI cable and plug it into another HDMI port. Turn off your Samsung Smart TV. Press the mute +1 +8 +2 +power button. Your TV will turn on and you'll get the service menu. Now select the control option. Scroll down and select the shop option. Now turn off the peak mode. Turn on the TV. Now on your Samsung TV remote, press the mute +1 +1 +9 +enter button. Now turn off the hospitality mode settings. Go to the Samsung TV home screen and select the settings option. Now select the support option. Select device care. Now select self-diagnosis option. Now reset the Smart Hub. Go to the home screen and option settings. Go to the support option and select self-diagnosis. Now select the reset option. Launch the app on the TV, and then go to the settings and then enable the broadcast feature. Clear the background apps to fix this issue. To do that, long press the return, exit key on the remote to clear the app from the background.